Have you ever felt stuck exercising hard and eating well, but your body just won't make progress? You might be trapped in a cycle of frustration. Today, we're not talking about what you're doing wrong, but about a completely new perspective. The secret isn't in the gym or on your plate. It's hidden within your mindset and the lifestyle you choose. Welcome to the Vibrant Health Journey. I'm Gentry. This video will be a turning point in your health. I'll show you how to activate your body's natural recovery system at night through a combination of intentional discipline and a mindful lifestyle. This isn't just about building muscle, it's about reclaiming your energy, vitality, and sense of control. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Part 1. The Mindful Lifestyle of Vitamin D3, an Unexpected Solution. You've heard of vitamin D3, but here's a little-known secret. Taking it at night isn't just a habit, it's an act of mindful awareness for your body. As you sleep, vitamin D3 activates VDR receptors, helping your muscles absorb calcium and phosphorus while supporting testosterone production. Think of it as a form of nutritional meditation. You're listening to and supporting your body from the inside out. Evidence from a Harvard study shows that older adults who use vitamin D3 daily gained nearly 7 times more muscle mass. I'll never forget Sarah, a busy working mom in her late 40s. She used to feel like her body was working against her. But when she learned about the connection between vitamin D3 and nighttime repair, she decided to change her mindset. Instead of just taking a pill, she started to see her evening routine as a moment of self-care. It was a powerful reminder that a true lifestyle change starts with a change in mindset. Part 2, the discipline of zinc, a core solution. Now let's talk about zinc, the silent architect of your recovery. Zinc helps your body produce growth hormones while you sleep. Zinc deficiency is a widespread issue, affecting 40% of seniors, and it's the very reason many people who eat enough protein still can't build muscle. This is a lesson in discipline, the intentional practice of taking this small mineral every day is a decisive factor in your major success. A groundbreaking study from the University of Michigan showed that zinc can increase muscle protein synthesis by 34%. I remember Mark, a 60-year-old retired athlete who was frustrated. He was hitting the gym religiously, but his strength wasn't returning. He had the discipline for the gym, but he was neglecting the small foundational steps. He started taking a zinc supplement with his evening glass of water, and within a month, he told me he was lifting weights he hadn't touched in years. This seemingly insignificant change unlocked the progress he had been working so hard for. Part 3, the little-known power duo, magnesium and omega-3s, extended solution. Many people only focus on building muscle but forget about the maintenance process. That's why the duo of magnesium and omega-3s are the silent heroes. Magnesium helps your muscles relax, reduces tension, and guides you into a deep, restful sleep where most of your recovery takes place. Similarly, omega-3s have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce post-workout soreness and aid in tissue repair. Supplementing with these two isn't just an action, it's a part of a comprehensive lifestyle for total body health. Part 4, the 3 lifestyle saboteurs, a surprising problem. We've talked about what to add. Now let's face the silent enemies. B-complex, vitamin C, and caffeine. So many people, like my patient Alex, use these at night for recovery, but are actually destroying their own bodies. Alex, a 55-year-old who always tried hard, couldn't understand why he kept losing muscle. He was missing the mindful awareness his body was asking for. B complex raises cortisol. Vitamin C hinders natural repair, and caffeine ruins deep sleep. This isn't a flaw with the vitamins themselves, but a lack of discipline in understanding their timing and place in our lifestyle. When Alex switched his B vitamins to the morning, he slept better and regained strength surprisingly fast. Part 5. The mindful lifestyle prevails, the problems peak. And here's one more trap many people fall into: alcohol and caffeine. I once had a patient named Gloria, an 81-year-old retired nurse. She'd drink a cup of decaf coffee every night, thinking it was harmless. But her sleep was constantly interrupted, and she couldn't figure out why she felt weaker. The issue wasn't a lack of effort, but a seemingly innocent habit in her lifestyle. When she cut it out, her sleep improved dramatically, and her strength increased by 19%. This journey requires the courage to face old habits. Which one are you ready to change tonight to start a better recovery lifestyle? Let me know in the comments below. If you're serious about building a healthier body and a stronger mindset, I've created a special 7-day sleep and repair guide with meal plans and timing strategies to help you start immediately. You can find the link in the pinned comment video. I'll share a simple daily stretching practice clinically proven to reduce joint pain and increase flexibility by 40% in just 1 week. It's a powerful lesson in connecting with your body. Be sure to subscribe now so you don't miss it. Remember, health isn't a destination. It's a profound journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Thanks for being part of ours. This content is for influencers only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your health routine.